Cheryl, happy 50th. You rock. Love, Crystal.
Cheryl, I love you. Happy 50th. You're my girl. This is Pam. Love you so much and hope that we are going to celebrate the next 50th together. Love you.
Hey Cheryl, woo, get it done. Happy birthday, woo!
Cheryl, this is Tom and Heather.
Hello. Happy birthday.
We are so happy that we are here with you in this beautiful venue celebrating your amazing life. And thank you for inviting us. And we miss you way too much to just be seeing you for your birthday. So we need to holla and hook something up. We love you. Kyle, we love you too. We're not leaving you out. So don't be all butthurt. All right.
Love you guys.
Tom and Heather, out.
Happy birthday. Love you. Happy birthday, Cheryl. I hope you have the bestest day ever. Love you.
Hi, Miss Cheryl. This is Luke. I love you. I've left you voicemails for 20 plus years now, and bothered your husband and bothered you. And my wife and I adore you. We adore Kyle, and we adore your children, even if they did deflower our oldest daughter. And wanted to wish you a happy 50th.
Hi Cheryl, this is Gavin. Thank you for letting us stay the night at your house. Love you all. This party is pretty cool, but bring more girls my age next time. Love you.
Love that big old booty, booty, booty. Love you, wifey.
Hi, Mom. This is Leah. Love you so much. Bye. Happy birthday.
Hey, this is Andrew. Cheryl, this is Ron Gassan. I hope you have a good one. Have an amazing day. We all love you. Bye.
Puro Culiacán. Arriba mi Sinaloa.
Cheryl, I love you so much. This is Chanel. I'm so glad that our kids are dating. I hope they get married so we really can be in-laws. Bye.
Happy birthday, Cheryl. Woo! We love you.
Hi, Aunt Cheryl. I love you.
Love you, Aunt Cheryl. Happy birthday, Cheryl. Love you.
Cheryl, skin flowers. Cheryl, I hope you have the blessed 50th birthday ever, girl. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, my little cousin. This is Stephanie. Thank you for inviting us. We love you.
Hey Cheryl, this is Jax. 5 long years ago when I met you over in the Ivy Street office. Never did I imagine 5 years later we'd be over here at your 50th birthday just watching Kyle treat a lightsaber like he's jacking up. This is fun. Happy birthday, Cheryl. Happy 50th birthday, Cheryl.
Happy birthday, Cheryl.
Hi Cheryl, it's Amy. I just wanted to say happy birthday, and we are having a great time at your party celebrating your 50th birthday. I just love you so much, and you have always been so warm to me. I really appreciate that. Love you, sweetheart. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hey Cheryl, it's Ben. We're having a wonderful time at your party, and over the last probably 25 years we've known each other. I've always thought you were such a rad mom and such a great partner for Kyle, and you're just the best. Honestly, I've always had the most respect for you, and I love you very much. And happy 50th. We're glad to be here and glad to still be a part of your guys' lives. Love you, Cheryl. Happy birthday. So, hopefully you're having a good birthday. It's Evan, in case you don't know who this is. Yay, party. All right. I was hoping there was a different message. Happy birthday.
Cheryl, I love you. Happy 50th, babe. You're the sister I never had. I hope you're having a blast. I love you. I hope this 50th birthday party is amazing. You're amazing. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. And I'm fucking drunk, bitch. I love you. Bye. Love you. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday! I hope you have the best birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hi, Cheryl. This is your new daughter, Cassie and Dean. And we just wanted to tell you how much we love you and appreciate you. And we are so excited to be here to celebrate your 50th. And let me tell you, you are the hottest, sexiest 50-year-old woman I've ever met. And we love you. Leave a message.
Hello.
Say, hi, honey, it's Braxton.
Hi, honey. It's Boston.
Say, love you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, but can you come out?
Hey, Cheryl, Aunt Mary Rose. I'm so happy I got to be here. I'm grateful for everything that's going on in our lives right now, and this special, special day commemorates so much of all of it. So happy, happy birthday. I love you, I love you, I love you. And you know the others are here in spirit with us. I've been sharing pictures, so let's go out and see some fireworks. Okie dokie, love you, and enjoy every bit of it. It's all good. Take care. Bye.
Love you, Aunt Cheryl.
Happy birthday.
Let's go.
Happy birthday, Mom. We love you so much. Enjoy that Social Security check every month. Tell honey you love her.
I love you, honey. You're my best friend.
Say, you old fart.
You little fart.
Hey Cheryl, just a big shout out from Canary Capital Rentals. We had an amazing time. We thank you so much for inviting us to your party. May you continue to be a rock star, and hopefully we meet again soon. Enjoy the rest of your 2023, baby. Take care.